Welcome to episode 2, where Sabine and I set up camp as we continue our adventure into the wild. This is the outback, right? Oh my word. Woo!
Okay, don't get too wild.
Oh yeah, unpack. Let me do that.
So to unfold the tent, unlock the roof tent canopy locks and open the 2 safety straps.
Hey, need help setting up your bedroom?
Nah, I can easily do it all by myself.
Wow.
So after you gently lift the lid of the roof tent, it will unfold itself further via its 2 integrated gas dampers. Afterwards, swing out the back end of the underfloor and then secure it with the help of the integrated ladder. Also make sure that the ladder sections are firmly locked into place. The optimal angle for the ladder is approximately 70 degrees. Finally, all you need to do is shape the roof tent with its 4 spring rods, 2 shorter ones for the entrance of the tent and 2 longer ones for the windows on both sides. These rods are conveniently stored inside the tent in a pouch at the entrance. To secure the rain cover, make sure it is also hooked onto the 2 front spring rods of the tent. Thereafter, secure the elastic straps at the bottom.
Sabine didn't need my help with the tent, so I wandered into the woods to answer nature's call. But these woods can be quite tricky, and soon our camp was nowhere to be found. There was no way I could admit to getting lost, which gave me a very good idea. The My Porsche app can help me navigate back to my car by signaling the vehicle's horn and flashing its lights. Hey, got us some firewood.
Did you get lost?
No. Why?
You know, there's a much more elegant way to do it.
And Sabine was right. I didn't have to wake up half the forest. The My Porsche app also gives me the option of navigating back to my car using a map. Camp was now properly set up, but one matter was still unresolved in my mind, namely where exactly I would be sleeping that night. The Taycan's seats can fold down to make a lofty abode. However, wouldn't the Cayenne offer a bit more space? With my mind now made up, all I needed to do was to prep my bed, a task that I didn't quite seem to master yet.
What are you actually trying to do?
Setting up my camp, Cayenne. A man's got to sleep somewhere, you know.
Down there? Why not sleep under a starry sky?
The Porsche roof tent offered enough space for a comfortable sleep. This prepared me well for our next episode, in which Sabine and I will be exploring some of the new features of the latest Cayenne.